What's up, everybody? I have missed you. Sorry I was off last week. Things got a little crazy, but I'm back. We're cooking today, and today we're making a Minnesota Tater Tot Hot Dish. A hot dish is just Minnesota's name for a casserole. And like most casseroles or hot dishes, they're loaded with canned or frozen food. We are gonna top this hot dish with some frozen tater tots, but outside of that, we're gonna use as much fresh ingredients as possible because I wanna show you guys a different way to be able to elevate your casseroles and not use the crutch of using canned soups and canned vegetables or frozen vegetables, things like that. We're gonna use ground beef as the main component in this casserole, and then we're gonna add some sauteed onions, mushrooms, green beans, and some fresh corn cut right off the cob. I'm gonna start sauteing all these veggies up, but while I do that, I'm gonna make what's going to replace your canned soup. A lot of these recipes call for cream of mushroom soup or cream of chicken soup. I've already got fresh mushrooms and a whole lot of flavor going on, so I just wanna make kind of the thickening agent that's gonna help bind this casserole together. So I'll start by making a roux with some butter and flour, and then I'm gonna pour in equal parts whole milk and chicken stock. Season with salt and pepper and let this simmer for about 5 minutes while it thickens up. Now all the vegetables are nice and sauteed, I'm gonna take them out of the pan and saute the ground beef until it's cooked through. Now add the cooked beef and your vegetables into a bowl and pour in this condensed soup replacement. Add about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese and give it a good thorough mix. That's how you make a tater tot hot dish. All right, timer just went off. Time to get it out of the oven. Woo-wee, look at that. Today we're pouring the extra citra pale ale from Surly Brewing out of Minnesota, and goes really well with this tater tot hot dish. Whether you call it a casserole or a hot dish, it doesn't matter. This is fantastic. Plus, I also love the use of tater tots as that top layer. They're crunchy and crispy. With underneath, you get this wonderful mixture of ground beef and vegetables. All comes together nicely. So if you guys feel that I represented Minnesota well, give me a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, man.